Most traders think keeping a trading journal is about writing down every entry and exit, every setup, every strategy. After 7+ years of trading, I can tell you this: that approach is useless if your mind isn't in order. In this video, I'll show you why journaling your mind beats journaling trades, and how this single practice can transform the way you see the market, control your emotions, and consistently improve your performance. Here's the truth: recording every trade doesn't make you a better trader. I've seen countless beginners and even intermediate traders spend hours tracking charts, setups, indicators, only to repeat the same mistakes over and over, because trading is 80% psychological. Your journal might tell you what you did, but it doesn't tell you why you did it. Did you take that trade because of a signal? Or because fear of missing out hit you? Did you exit early out of panic? Did a winning streak make you reckless? A traditional trade journal rarely captures this. And without addressing these patterns in your mind, no strategy, indicator, or setup will save you from repeating the same errors. Mind journaling flips the process, and instead of only tracking trades, you track your thoughts, emotions, and reactions before, during, and after each trade session. It's not about the market. It's about you in the market. Here's what you record. What were you feeling before you placed trades? Were you confident, anxious, impatient? Did your mindset affect your risk management? Did your reaction to a losing trade influence the next trade? Over time, these entries reveal patterns you can't see on a chart. Think of it as building a mental map of your trading behavior. Once you understand how your mind operates under pressure, you can train it, just like a muscle, to respond consistently and rationally. I've personally used mind journaling to turn losing streaks into learning streaks. Here's why it's more powerful than trade journaling. First, it exposes emotional triggers. You learn exactly what triggers fear, greed, and impulsive decisions. Second, it reveals decision patterns. You start noticing habits like chasing losses, overtrading after wins, or hesitation from self-doubt. Third, it builds self-discipline. Once you see your mental weaknesses, you can implement small, focused exercises to strengthen them. Fourth, it saves time. Instead of endlessly analyzing charts and setups, you focus on the root cause, your own behavior. The truth is, trades can be random, but your reactions are consistent. If you fix the reaction, the results will follow. Mind journaling puts you in control of that. Here's a method I've used for years. Keep a simple notebook or digital document. After every trading session, answer 3 questions. First, before trading: what am I feeling right now? Am I calm, anxious, eager, distracted? Second, during trading, what emotions influenced my decisions? Did I stick to my plan or deviate? Third, after trading, what did I learn about myself today? Did any patterns repeat? It only takes 5 to 10 minutes per session, but after a month, you'll see patterns you didn't even realize existed. That's where real growth comes from. Self-awareness, not charts. Pro tip: highlight recurring patterns. When a specific emotion repeatedly leads to mistakes, create a mental anchor, a cue to pause and reset before trading next time. If you want consistent improvement as a trader, stop obsessing over setups and indicators. Start obsessing over your mind. Mind journaling exposes weaknesses, trains discipline, and builds the psychological foundation that profitable traders rely on. After 7+ years, I can say with certainty, mastering your mind is far more valuable than mastering any strategy. Try mind journaling for 1 week, just a few minutes each session. I guarantee you'll notice patterns and insights that charts alone will never show you. If this video helped you see trading in a new way, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll continue uncovering the mental side of trading that most traders ignore.